In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download files from Replit 2025, step by step. If you've ever needed to grab a single file from your project, maybe to share it, test it locally, or back it up, this quick walkthrough will show you the cleanest way to do it using Replit's built-in options. Start with your project open in Replit. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the sidebar. Look for the File section. It's the pane that lists your project's folders and files. If the pane looks collapsed or hidden, just click the folder icon to expand it so you can see everything in your workspace. This is where all your code files, assets, and configuration files live, and it's the place we'll work from. Next, find the specific file you want to download. Hover your mouse pointer over that file in the list. As you hover, you're simply highlighting the exact file you intend to save. Take a moment to confirm you've got the right one. Check the file name and extension, like .pi, or so you don't accidentally grab the wrong item. If your project uses folders, make sure you've expanded the correct folder to reveal the file first. Now right-click directly on that file. On a trackpad, that's usually a two-finger click. On a Mac with a single-button mouse, you can hold the Control key and click. The goal is to open the context menu for that file. If you don't see a context menu, double-check that you're clicking the file itself and not empty space or a folder name. Also note that some browser extensions or unusual device settings can interfere with right-click menus, so try a standard browser setup if needed. In the context menu that appears, click Download. Replit will prepare that single file, and your browser will begin the download. Depending on your browser settings, you may be asked where to save it, or it may go straight to your default downloads folder. The file name will match what you saw in Replit, so it's easy to identify. Keep in mind, this method downloads only the one file you selected. If you need multiple files, repeat the same steps for each one so you stay in control and avoid pulling down extra content you don't need. That's it. Open the Files pane, hover to select the exact file, right-click to open the menu, and choose Download. Simple, reliable, and perfect for quickly exporting just what you need from your Replit project.